step into the Ram 2019 4500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include engine, 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel included, V20 biodiesel capability, current generation engine controller, smart diesel exhaust brake, Ram active air 4.10 axle ratio, Cummins turbo diesel badge, dual 730 amp maintenance free batteries, supplemental heater, selective catalytic reduction, urea, clean idle emissions label, quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto Eisen AS69 RCHD rear dome lamp, halogen quad headlamps, black wheel flares, matte black grille, upper/lower appliques, glove box map, courtesy lamp, dorsal scuff pads, chrome appearance group included, matte black grille with chrome accents, bright wheel skins, bright front bumper, chrome grille surround, wheels.